Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that you all have entered in your new session and your new classes have started. So you all are now in class 2. Okay, so I am Mrs. Pooja Mudgal, your class teacher for class 2. And I will be teaching you EVS. Okay, so today through this video I'm going to give you small introduction about your EVS book and about your EVS notebook, and then we will start with our chapter. Is that clear, children? So I hope you all are very excited for your new class. You all have started buying your books, and children, those who have not taken your books, please make sure that you buy your new book set from school itself. Okay, and before starting with our course, I would like to introduce your EVS book. As you can see on your screens, children, this is your EVS book, Enjoying Environmental Studies. Okay, this part 2, this is for class 2. Okay, so you have to buy this EVS book for your EVS subject. Is that clear? Now there will be a notebook also, and for EVS notebook, make sure, children, that you will make an interleaf notebook like this. Is that clear? Interleaf notebook means one side plain page and other side ruled page. Okay, and ruled page should be of English copy. Okay, as you use your English copies, both side ruled. In EVS you will use this ruled page like English copy page. Okay, and you will write all the things here, and whatever the drawings or diagrams will be given, you will be drawing them on the white page. Is that clear? So for EVS notebook, you have to maintain a proper interleaf notebook for your EVS subject. Is that clear? So please make sure, please see very nicely, very carefully in this video, that this will be your EVS notebook, and your book will be this. Is that clear? Enjoying Environmental Studies. So I hope you all have understood that which is your EVS book and how you will prepare your notebook. Now make sure, children, all your notebooks of each and every subject should be covered with brown paper. Okay, so make sure that you follow all the instructions of the teachers which are given. Is that clear, children? Now all the best for your new session, children. Let's get started with our new chapter. So please, children, take out your EVS book, Enjoying Environmental Studies. Okay, and turn to page number 7. As you can see, this is page number 7 written here. Okay, chapter number 2, My Family. I'm skipping out first chapter because I will take that chapter as an activity, because in that there is nothing to explain. It is the chapter on myself. So I will take that chapter as an activity. So we will start with second chapter, that is My Family. Okay, so I hope you all are very excited, you all are prepared, and so let's get started, children. Firstly, I would like to tell you that I will read the chapter, and while reading I will explain the concept of the chapter. Is that clear? So children, you all know that what is a family. You all live in a family. Okay, you live with your parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins. So these are all these people make a family. Okay, so you all know that you have siblings also, like your brothers, sisters. Okay, elder brother, younger sister, elder sister. So these are all your siblings. So I would like to tell you all that I will read this chapter first, and then I will explain you. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to listen to each and every video very, very carefully. So let's get started, children. Chapter number 2, My Family. Hello, I'm Nikita. I am a girl. Ravi is my brother. I am his sister. Now, children, here as you can see, this girl is explaining about her family. Her name is Nitika, okay, and she is a girl, and Ravi is her brother. She also have a brother, and his name is Ravi. I am his sister, and now she is saying that she is his sister. Okay, now we live in our home with our mother and father. हम अपने घर में किसके साथ रहते हैं? अपने मम्मी पापा के साथ, mother father के साथ. There are 4 members in our family. Now this girl Nitika is telling about her family that there are 4 members. Okay. Ours is a nuclear family. Now she is telling that इसकी family कैसी है? Nuclear family. Why nuclear family, children? A nuclear family is a small family. So why she is saying that her family is a nuclear family? Because in the family which she is living, it is a nuclear family because nuclear family is a small family where only 4 members or 5 members live. Is that clear? Now, coming to the next part, my father's parents are my grandparents. Now, आपके पापा के पेरेंट्स जो होते हैं वो आपके कौन होते हैं? ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स. ओके, दे लिव विद माई अंकल्स फैमिली. माई अंकल इज माई फादर्स यंगर ब्रदर. हिज वाइफ इज माई आंट. नाउ हियर चिल्ड्रन, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. आपके फादर के जो पेरेंट्स हैं वो आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हैं, लाइक योर दादाजी, दादी जी, यू ऑल कॉल देम. Okay, and they live with my uncle's family. Uncle's family means my uncle is my father's younger brother. Uncle कौन है? नितिका के जो father हैं उनके younger brother. Clear? Younger brother means उनके छोटे भाई. Okay. His wife is my aunt. अब जो uncle होंगे उनकी wife को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Aunt. Is that clear? So these are all family members. Now, next is my uncle's children are my cousins. Now, children, you must have seen, you must have called also that when you go to any family function or when you go to your grandparents' house, so there are other children, your uncle's children, your aunt's children. Okay, so all those are your brothers and sisters, and those are known as your cousins. Okay. So their family is a joint family. A joint family is a big family. They all live in a big home. Now, where the grandparents, parents, uncle, aunts, and cousins are living, more than 4 or more than 5 people are living, then that family is known as a joint family or a big family. Is that clear, children? Children, coming to the next part. During summer vacation, we visit their home. We all enjoy living and playing together. They are my relatives. Now, as you all know, children, when you are living with your parents in a nuclear family, in a small family, then what you like to do during summer vacations, जब भी आपकी गर्मी की छुट्टियां होती हैं या आपकी winter vacations होते हैं या जब भी ज़्यादा छुट्टियां होती हैं, so what you all do? You go to your relatives house. Okay, you go to your parental house, like you go to your grandparents house, and you enjoy living and playing with them together. Okay, so they are my relatives. You all know, children, that those people are known as relatives. Is that clear? Now turn to next page. I hope you all are getting my point, children. Now, besides vacation, all the family members meet at the time of weddings and festivals. You all know, children, that beside vacation, like vacation के अलावा भी हम लोग family members से कब मिलते हैं? During the weddings and festivals time. Okay, when there are any big festival or any weddings in our house, so we go and meet our relatives there also. Okay, now next is we all enjoy and have a lot of fun together. When we go to weddings or festivals in our relatives weddings or relatives house to celebrate festivals, so we enjoy a lot of have a lot of fun together. Okay, We remain in touch with our relatives by writing letters to them. We also send emails to them. We send greeting cards to our relatives. We also speak to them over telephone. We love our relatives and care for them. So children, here you all know that when you see that your relatives are staying very far from your place and you can't meet them every day, so what you all do, you speak them over telephone. Okay, you use your mobiles, you use WhatsApp also nowadays, you use Facebook, and every means of communication you use to keep in touch with your relatives and friends. Okay, and you care for them also. Is that clear, children? So I hope you all have understood this chapter. And now children, this is the first video for today for EVS. In the second video you will be doing I will be doing these book exercises. So please make sure that you complete these book exercises with me only. So for that you have to see the second video. Is that clear, children? But before starting with the second video, I would like to tell you all that how I have read this chapter. Please make sure you listen to each and every word very carefully and read this chapter at home 2 to 3 times. Is that clear? तो 2 से 3 बार आपको ये चैप्टर वीडियो देख के सुन के उसके बाद अपने आप से पढ़ना है. Is that clear, children? Now that is all for today in this part. Okay, in this video I have read the chapter and I have explained you what is the content of this chapter. Now I'm ending this video, and for the book exercises you have to open the second video.